It's Ryan. That's all you got to do. Today is November 27th. Thanksgiving today. Hold on. I hope you guys enjoyed Thanksgiving today, because I did. I enjoy it. I'm really excited. Thanksgiving was good. I ate a lot of food, drank a lot. It was good. It was a good day. But what else? Oh, I'm gonna tell you guys what I'm wearing. My purple wig, my purple headband, glasses. And that's the outfit. And then what I ate today, I ate some macaroni and cheese, banana pie. And that was it. That's all I had today. And I drank. I'm gonna show you guys the drinks I had. Hold on. Look at this. Cold water stripe. My bad. Cold water strawberry. Haven't tried it yet. I'm gonna try it on video. And I'm not gonna use this though. But I just want to use it on this intro. And I will see you guys in the next clip. Okay. What's up, guys? Update time. 10:10 p.m. is the second clip. Alright, so this is what it is. Dockery. So I'm gonna try it on video. I like it. And I have this and Sprite and Canada Dry. Those are the drinks I had today. Gone. Yeah. Oh yeah, and I had tequila, and then I had brown liquor. I forgot what it's called, but it was really, really good. I really, really like it. So, yeah. What is it called? I kind of forgot what it's called, but it was really good too. In this smooth drink and everything. I had a couple of tequila drinks, and I had a lot of the brown drink. Now I'm like really tipsy. Now I'm having that. I'm like, oh, and I had cookies and chips, but that was it. That's all I had today. That's what I ate today. I'm really happy about it. So, yeah. Best of guys. See you guys next clip. Yeah. Okay, I'm back. Update time. It is 10:13 p.m. It's the third clip. I'm doing 4 clips, and don't mind the noise in the background. We still got family here, and they're spending the night and stuff. So, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I don't care. There's noise in the background. I really don't care. So, you really don't. Anyways, I am grown as fuck. I'm allowed to cuss. I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna fucking cuss in my videos. I don't care. Like, I don't care. This is my channel, my video, and I'm gonna cuss. And I was like, what the fuck? Fuck, 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 fuck. That's what I do. I'm a cuss. And I don't care. I really don't. Anyways. I think this is the third clip. Yeah. And then the last clip will be the fourth. And then I put it on. Wait, what did I put it on? No, and then I will, I forgot what I was gonna do. What I was gonna do? I was going to, yeah, I forgot. All my cousins was here. And then my auntie. And then, yeah, all my cousins was here. And like, yeah, I didn't even say happy Thanksgiving to my sister or my other auntie. But yeah, it's too late to call. But yeah. What's up, guys? It's 10:15 p.m. It's the fourth clip, last clip hour. I'm gonna finish this vlog in the morning. Yeah. In the morning. Anyways. Look at this now. Look at that now. 6, 7. Anyways. When I'm tired, I'm gonna sleep. No. I'm not gonna sleep. I'm gonna watch YouTube. And then I tried to watch Tommy G again, but I didn't want to watch him and stuff, so yeah. Dang, tomorrow's Friday? This is crazy. I feel like I thought today was Friday, you know? And I'm like, damn. So tomorrow's Friday, Saturday, Sunday, all those days. It's like, yeah. I don't know, but I'm like really, really tired right now. And I want to go to sleep and stuff like that. And I don't know. But I'm about to go. We'll see you guys in the next clip in the morning. Bye. So guys, it's the next day. It is 12:52 p.m. It's the first clip, closing the vlog out from yesterday. I want you guys to subscribe, like, hit the bell, follow me on Instagram, Kristen9, TikTok, Kristen Ryan. That's all you guys do. See you guys later on today, tomorrow, another day vlog. And what else I'm gonna say? I'm getting tired. I think I'm getting sick. I'm getting sick. I keep sneezing and coughing. My nose is running, and I need toilet paper, or tissue, or whatever you want to call it. Like, seriously, I'm getting tired, guys. It's not even funny, but yeah. I'm getting super tired. Ugh. Yeah. But this is what it is. We are the world. We are the children. We are the one who made our days. So let's start giving. I don't know. But I really, really like this vlog. And I'm really, really enjoying people. Yeah. You know, joining people and everything, but yeah. It's 12:54 p.m. second clip. I think I got. Why would they talk about my boobs and talk about their sister boobs? Like, come on now. Don't talk about my boobs. So annoying. I was like really drunk. Not as much drunk I was on my birthday. Oh my god, that I was hecka drunk, and I didn't even know what happened. I was like, what did I do? Until somebody told me what happened. I'm like, oh god. It wasn't really embarrassing. I had a good time, so it was a great time. That's what I had. A great time. But yeah. Yeah. I had a great time. Yesterday, I had a little tipsy. Not a little tipsy. I was tipsy. Like, I still have cut water. I think you guys can see it now in this one. Yeah. Yeah. So good. Tastes like Buzzball though. It really does. And it's really good. But yeah. It's 12:56 p.m. Third clip, last clip hour. So, in a day. So, I was going to do a long vlog for Thanksgiving, but I changed my mind to do a long vlog. So, and plus, I was downstairs most of the day. And then I'm like, oh, I need to start this vlog. I haven't been doing it. So, yeah. It's about to be 1 o'clock. Like, this is crazy. I could tell they talk shit behind your back about you. And I'm not even there. But yeah. I'm really excited for this journey of vlogging every day, uploading every day. Especially for pictures and all that stuff. And I can't wait till Sunday because that's the first day of Vlogmas. And yeah. I got today, tomorrow, the regular vlogs. Well, I'm still gonna do regular vlogs for Vlogmas. Like every year. But this is the 5th year of me doing Vlogmas. And yeah. Anyways, I'm about to go. See you guys in the next video.